The next one that we are going to learn how we can create a bar chart by using Python Matplotlib. Okay, so bar chart is also one of the charts which is very used and very useful also. Okay, so now let's see how we can create a bar chart by using Python Matplotlib. Okay, so for that we have to do something like this. See, this is where we create my line chart. Okay, so I'm just going to delete everything. Okay, boom, bye bye. Okay, bye. So for the bar chart, I'm going to have this example. Okay, so I'm just going to have some, for example, some information about some programming language like Python, C++, Java, Dart, C#, and JavaScript. Okay, so this is some kind of information for them. Okay, like a popularity or something like this. Okay, so you don't need to worry about those numbers, just random numbers which I gave. Okay, which is not really important. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, so this is 62. Let me decrease this guy for 40, and we don't need even 30. So let's give 30. Yeah, okay, this is 50-50. I don't want everyone to stay in the same, so you stay 20. Okay, safe, perfect. So those are just random numbers which I gave. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. So in order for us to create, what's that? We create, okay, bar chart in Python. So we need to do something like this. See, the most important thing, as I said before, okay, is we need to have the data. Okay, so now here we have our data. Okay, so we have this data which is X. So let's say programming language. Okay, language, let's say language. Okay, let's change the name, and for the Y, let's say, okay, numbers. Okay, numbers, boom. Or maybe let's, yeah, number. Okay, numbers for this. No, number doesn't make any sense. Let's say percentage. Okay, percentage. Okay, percentage. Okay, perfect. So we have the data and we have the percentage of those data. Okay, so for that, okay, to create a bar chart, we need to do something like that. Okay, so we can say, for example, plt dot plot. Okay, this is the easiest way. You don't need to complicate yourself. Okay, plot what we want to plot. For the X will be the language. Okay, the language will be down in the X coordinate, so we can just give language. Okay, language, comma. Okay, so for the Y, and or better for the vertical, we need to do we just need to give percentage. Okay, percentage, safe. So after that, okay, I just need to show this guy. Okay, so in order to show this, okay, we just need to do something like this. See, we just need to do like a plt dot, okay, plt dot show. Okay, save dot show, save, open. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. Save, open, and close. Okay, boom. Now give very little very good attention. Okay, if I save this, if I run this guy, see, I'm going to run this. I got some kind of error. Okay, let me see what error I got. Values are X and Y must have the same first dimension. Okay, I think I did some mistake. Let me see how many I have. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. I need to give one more. Okay, so the number must be the same. Okay, let me give it at least blah blah 70. Perfect. Save. If I run this, okay, let me run this. Boom, it's showing a what is this? I forget. Okay, a line chart. Okay, it's showing a line chart. Okay, so in order to show a bar chart, we just need to do something like this. See, okay, so I'm just going to comment this guy. Okay, this plt plot show, because this one, it shows a line chart. Okay, I'm just going to comment and I'm going to reuse it again. I just need to come here down. Okay, and I'm going to paste. Okay, so in order to show a bar chart, okay, we just need to remove this. Okay, instead of plt dot plot, we just need to do something like that. Okay, plt dot bar. Okay, we just give something like that, bar, something like this. Okay, so like this is gonna give us a bar chart. Okay, so if I save this and if I run this guy, as we can see, boom, it's giving us a bar chart. Okay, as you can say, Python, this is the Python, this is for C#, and this is for C++, Java, Dart, C# and JavaScript. Okay, so this is how we plot a bar chart. For bar chart, we need to change it for bar, and if it's a line chart, we just need to write it plot. Okay, so the same way that with the line chart, we can also give some style in our bar chart. Okay, for example, okay, so we can like give like some align. Okay, for align, we just have to from the bar give a little space. We can say, for example, align, sorry, I did a mistake, align, okay, will be equal. We can give something like at least center. Okay, if I save and if I run this guy again, boom, So it's aligning everything in the center, okay? So but you can see the difference because by default it comes also in the center itself, okay? And apart of that, we can change also the width, okay? For example, if we say, for example, alpha, okay, alpha this way, alpha will be equal 0.5, okay, save. If I run this guy, let me run it. So as you can see, okay, the kind of like the, how can I say, brightness, okay, of the bar, okay, it changed a little bit, okay? So let me give at least if I give for example 10, save. If I run this, so kind of the brightness is like kind of, no, we can decrease the brightness of the bar chart, okay? So let's give it like a 5. It was a good color itself, okay? Boom, this color is good. And a part of this also, the same way that we change the font size, okay, the same way that we change the font size for the chart, for when we create the line chart, okay, is the same way here in the bar chart, okay? Even to give a title is the same way, okay? So for example, I can give like, I can just go Control B, Control C, Control Z, Control Z. I just want to grab it, okay? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, for example, this title, I'm just going to copy this guy and Control Y again, go back. Okay, perfect. So to give a title is almost the same way. For example, let me give it plt.title, okay? For example, instead of line chart, I can just change to bar chart, okay? Save. And if I run this guy, let me run it. Boom. It's the same way to give the title, okay? Nothing changed at all, okay? As we can see, bar chart. Even also to give the values for the X and for the Y, okay, labels is the same thing, okay? For example, you can see plt dot X label, we can say something like that. In the X label, we can say, for example, something like programming, okay, programming language, okay. And for the Y label, plt dot Y label, open and close. We can say what we can say, okay, scores, okay, scores for those programs, save. And if I run this guy, let me run it. As we can see, okay, for the X programming language, for the Y scores, okay, we have the scores here. So nothing changes, almost the same thing, okay? There is nothing that is going to change like crazy. Most of things are almost the same, okay? And this way, now this bar chart is showing like is showing like vertical, okay? As we can say, okay, it is showing like vertical. So we can also show like a horizontal bar chart. So for that, we just need to come here. For example, here we have plt.bar, okay? Dot bar is going to show us vertical. If we added like h in front, it's gonna be like vertical, okay? If I save this and if I run this, okay, as you can see, now it is vertical. But so when it comes to vertical, the things kind of change a little bit, okay? When it comes to vertical, the things kind of change a little bit, okay? So for example, as you can see now, the JavaScript is showing here, okay, and those programming language is showing here, okay? So now the X and the Y labels, they kind of change position, okay? So for now, so it's like, now this guy is gonna be like a Y label, okay, for the programming language, and this guy is gonna be like X label, okay? If I save this and if I run, okay, now you can see now scores now are down and another guy is there, okay? For programming language, it's here, okay? So they kind of like swap the position, okay? So to create a vertical horizontal, you just added h. For vertical, just remove this guy and keep it like this. So this is how you can create a bar chart by using matplotlib, okay? See, apart of that, okay, there is a lot of example that you can use for matplotlib, okay, for bar chart, okay? So you can just go to the matplotlib website, okay? You can see there a lot of examples, but you just can just copy and make the change the way that you wish, okay? But the most important thing is that you just need to understand how those bar charts work, okay? How they work, how to set the title, if you want to change the title, if you want to change the title, where you have to go, if you want to change the color, where you have to go, so something like that. So this is the most important thing that you just need to do, okay? How to make change in your chart, okay? Because most of things there is already done, is just already created. You just go there, grab the code, and you just need to learn how to make change on it, okay? So this is what we are doing here in this tutorial, okay? We are just learn how we can make some change the way that we wish it to look like. This is what we are